What is a no decision for a pitcher in baseball? Imagine a game where the starting pitcher throws a great game, but the final result doesn't show it. That's what a no decision is all about. It's a situation where the pitcher leaves the game without earning a win or a loss. This can happen for many reasons, and it often confuses fans trying to understand a pitcher's true performance. In baseball, a pitcher earns a win if they pitch at least 5 innings and leave the game with their team in the lead, which the team then keeps until the end. If the pitcher leaves before 5 innings or if the team loses the lead later, they don't get the win. On the other hand, a pitcher gets a loss if they allow the go-ahead run that the team never recovers from, no matter how many innings they pitch. Now, if a starting pitcher leaves the game when the score is tied, or if the team later takes the lead after they leave, that pitcher gets a no decision. This means the decision goes to the relief pitcher, who is the pitcher of record when the lead changes. So, even if the starter played well, they might not get a win or a loss because the game's outcome was decided after they left. No decisions are pretty common and happen when the outcome is decided after the starter is no longer on the mound. They don't affect the pitcher's earned run average or other traditional stats, but they can hide how well a pitcher performed. For example, a pitcher might throw a very good game, but if the team's offense doesn't score or the bullpen gives up the lead later, the starting pitcher ends up with a no decision. In simple terms, a no decision means the pitcher's personal record isn't affected by the game's outcome. It shows that sometimes, even a great outing doesn't lead to a win or a loss because the final result depends on what happens after they leave the game. This helps separate how well a pitcher performs from the overall team result. It's an important part of understanding pitching stats and how players are evaluated in baseball history.